Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high CPU usage on Genshin Impact. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first method, you need to be in game, then you just need to press the escape button, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to graphics here and make sure that graphic quality is on lowest or low, depending what you prefer more, but you just need to test it out. If it's working good on medium, you can leave medium. If it's not, then make it to low, and if it's not working good on low, make it to lowest, right? Also, you can select display mode here. You can select lower resolution here as well, and then make sure to turn off VSync, and then also render resolution make to 08 or maybe 06, and then make other graphic settings either off or low quality. And then you just need to restart the game, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here, let me close the game first. You just need to go on search, and then you need to look for graphic settings, right? And once you're on the graphic settings, you need to scroll down, and here you should see Genshin Impact. So click on it, go to options and make it to high performance, as well as Genshin Impact exe file options and make it to high performance as well. And if this doesn't help you, then you need to open up Task Manager, and then and all the tasks that you don't use while playing the game, and it uses your CPU. Like for example, if you play and you don't need Google Chrome or something like that, you can easily end all the tasks. And then while you're in game, you should see Genshin Impact logo here. And then you just need to right click on the Genshin Impact. Then you need to go to, I believe, go to details, and then right click again, go to set priority and make it to high as well on your Genshin Impact. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.